welcome you to Public Opinion on Trending Matters. I am your host, Sandy. Today, our topic is how active is our internet connectivity and how active is our network? Let's get the views of the general public. Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Okay, please, what's your name?
My name is Bismarck Asante.
Okay, I would like to discuss something with you, Brad Bismarck. Which network are you using, please?
I use Tigo and MTN.
Okay, so what challenges and difficulties are you facing using this network?
Okay, I think Tigo is not bad. Their data lasts a bit, and when you buy it, you are able to use it for the actual thing that you really want to use it for. And sometimes the one thing I don't like about it is that sometimes maybe after you bought the data, when you use it for maybe some time, or let me say when you use it maybe a period of maybe you bought 10 CD data. Yeah, you bought 10 CD data, and maybe you want to use it to download something. Sometimes you bought a 2 gig, they will give you the actual amount that you bought for. But sometimes you see that you will not use it for maybe the actual thing that you maybe want to download it for or something like that. But MTN is like kind of like when you buy the data, maybe 10 CDs, you expect that you get the 10 CD, maybe 2 gig or whatever that you bought it for, yes. But one thing about MTN is that the actual thing that you want to use it for, you will not get it.
Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Please, what's your name?
Deborah say.
Okay, Sister Deborah, I would like to discuss something with you. What network are you using, please?
MTN.
Okay, so what difficulties and challenges are you facing using this network?
Okay, so with me, when I buy credits or data, it runs fast. Sometimes I can buy data 10 cities, which is 900 and something megabytes. Within 2 days, it gets finished. So that is my problem.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to help and improve or solve this problem for you?
Okay, as it's now, I think it's because of the VAT or the tax they've put on it. That is the reason why they deduct. So if they should reduce the tax, they've put on the network, yes, it will be good.
Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Please, what's your name, Daddy?
I'm Emmanuel Ochre.
Okay, Brother Emmanuel, I would like to discuss something with you. Please, what network are you using, please?
I'm using MTN, I'm using Vodafone, and I'm using Tigo Airtel.
Okay, so what difficulties are you facing during using all these networks that you just mentioned?
You know, there are a whole lot of problems. Like call when you are on call, the line will go off automatically. Like if somebody is bargaining or you get my point. Yeah, before you realize, you won't hear anything from the person, and the person too will not hear anything from you. All the networks, I won't say A, B, or C. They are the same. Yeah, all the networks.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to help or solve this problem?
That one, it depends on the modern gadgets that they will use. Yeah, because it depends on the system they are using. Maybe the system is choked. Yeah, that they need to free some space and stuff. Yeah.
Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Trending Matters.
Lion me.
Please, what's your name?
Safu Emmanuel.
Okay, Brother Emmanuel, I'd like to discuss something with you. So which network do you use?
MTN.
Okay, so what difficulties do you face in using this network during calls and browsing?
Well, more browser. Sometimes network needs to be slow. Network needs slow. Almost more than say be fast, you know. And more network, you know. I say no board in Accra. And we are calls no. We are like at times we bet me have Reeby. The panel phone were on, but I can say off. Maybe I'm not hearing the panel emergency. To us on my line, or here no more be found. And I credit in it, you know, so I don't know. Start almost take credit, you know. So I just say, auto credit, I do our prayer on phone, so who they have credit and absent. Over friend, or better, so I already step be say, but when I na yɛkyerɛ sɛ wowɔ register with say na yɛate wo credit pa wonni hwee a wobɛyɛ na ɔma deactivate adeɛ no ama wo wowɔ hɔ a wonsɛ foforɔ nso aba saa na ɛkɔ so wɔ network.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to improve this and solve the problem as well?
Well, me need much about networking, but I mean, when say I was so more no more, might be a bit favor customers because may use there. I'll be young for so also. Now me young for so also there. And I never said me talking. First, now me use Vodafone. Or more network near slow, and I'm die MTN here fast. But sometimes don't sit credit, don't sit abandon. I am serious. It's a better emotion no money between for abandon on any credit to the one I did the so what I say. And it's a better send network no omo we no on better no much see support or maybe even network na correct the bit me I use network na my so in network MTN dey do come on but nyama kitikiti bu ma na e face room na atokun so awu network akwakofa ntina ye that you use no ba e ba ma e betimi aja na network dey use room na be favor ya ni ahweso ni ahweso.
Trending matters.
Trending matters.
Please, what's your name?
I'm Mr. Emmanuel Okan.
Okay, brother Emmanuel, I would like to discuss something. What network are you using, please?
I'm using Tigo and MTN.
Okay, so with this network, what difficulties and challenges are you facing using this network?
Oh, I think with the Tigo, upon their bundle, I put some challenges there, in which at first when you buy, it can last for a week, but for now it's 3 days. And so I find it difficult buying often time. But with the MTN, anytime, as and when it can go off without any notice, you can call someone there, you hear the person, but the person when you speak, he doesn't hear of you. You might think maybe it's the fault of your phone, but not knowing it's the network. So I think that's my problem because I'm a businessman and I use MTN. For the past 3 days, I've been having problems with my network. When people call me to give me work, at times I'll miss the call. At times I can call, it will go. I'll pick them to cut off. So I think they should check up on the network for us because that is the money that we get from it too. Thank you.
So what do you think they can do to help solve this problem for us?
Okay, they should check up on their internet or their network services. You understand? Then at times they used to give us messages for that mean they are sorry for their inconvenience. But of late you don't receive it. So even at times when they tell people, they think you are lying. You understand? So if they can check or work hand in hand with all the networks in Ghana, if they can work hand in hand to check upon their systems, what is making the faulty, or if upon the post, what is creating the problem, that they should just try to solve it for us so that we can have a convenience network, then a good partnership working.
Trending matters.
Liami.
Trending matters.
Liami.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Please, what's your name?
Rebecca Okan.
Okay, Sister Rebecca, which network do you use?
Tigo.
Okay, so what difficulties do you face using this network during calls and browsing?
Mo no ni gba na ja ken fi oko pen browse nfe no ko. Sin babala ka se sin na iphone no ya fo tipe si be ni afoni ba no na ken phone ba am na ken phone ba am ni fu tipe ya ni ya phone ni keg machine. Ni use some phone si if phone is 0 ba no ni 0 ba babala ke if you transfer. Ke afa ya fe transfer ni ke one phone no. Ke mi fe call ya on ke mo wo no ni cat call no ke no e ke in cat call ke te mo ko tara ke mbe credit no shop na pa ke ko maybe if credit ade another tip any fuel no ni gba na mo yemi inside there.
Trending matters.
Liami.
Trending matters.
Liami.
Fine, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Charles.
Okay, brother Charles, I would like to discuss something with you today. So my first question is, which network are you using?
MTN.
Okay, so what difficulties do you face in using this network during calls and browsing?
At times, ke o fe call Kenya Odona alo agege network e break one o tramoni onu mo wa flag mo egbe phone se egbe ko phone later ni mo ba to wa ke o e phone egbe ko se e phone e mano no ekwe business matter bona ege bani shika anwa ho bon mish no asana me fi no ko eken awo no jino ni gba wona the network ke am browsing en am ani hfu ken awo data.
So what do you think they can do to improve and solve this problem for us?
Yeah, problem le fin ba duma no ke won complaint mo be ni ye bi o question ni won complain on voice out no ba ni mini amo amena ke o asani mini ame fi no ko ya me network ke man be because we no won ame shika bon mish yeah no I think I ke train ekwe e ba sha me di na mo ba na no ko fi mo ye network ke o
Trending matters.
Laemi.
Trending matters.
Laemi.
Okay, please, what's your name?
My name is Josephine.
Okay, Sister Josephine, I would like to discuss something with you. What network are you using, please?
I use MTN.
Okay, so what difficulties are you facing using this network?
Slow network, like slow. When you on data, it runs slow. And when you buy airtime or data too, then when you start using it, it's just a second, it will tell you you've exhausted your data or airtime. That's the problem I'm facing.
Okay, so what do you think like they should do to improve or help solve this problem for you?
I think they should work on the data and then the airtime, yeah. Because when you buy it, just a second, they'll tell you you've exhausted it. I think they should work on that. And then the network too. We got to a time, they told us they are working on network problems and things. And the whole day, I didn't get any access to the internet because it was bad. Yeah, that's the only thing I can say.
Trending matters.
Laemi.
Trending matters.
Laemi.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Robert.
Okay, Brother Robert, I'd like to discuss something with you. Which network do you use?
Over an use MTN Getigo fan.
Okay, so what difficulties do you face during calls and browsing?
Okay, na gbe ko me ni ina ye network I use me the Tigo. Sometimes I make trouble credit call credit there. O load credit a trouble credit there. O credit ba chebo ni bo message. Mo MTN ne ke ka chebo credit. Ona ga chebo credit there. Bo message. No ko kan message ona ga show ene ke ne wo a change credit there. No but Tigo sometimes I me ba e ko me inu shike be ina na gba na kan ni ewa. Lodi na gba ni yo Tigo bi ai.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to improve or solve the problem?
Oh, me le ba jam onu pa ni yo ame officer onmish ame sana me kwa ni keni bi ni wo ke na gba ba fun ame yin o to be do bi o misani ni na ka mi we na gba e wo ka mo ma botu e ko na me nya me kwa ge ke ache mi credit no sana nya ami message ni chon age shi o ene ke ni nfe no ani ache message no ke manye manu shi she can ye credit 2 series eche no fe one call 1 or 2 calls komenu ne ta ina na gba e wa aja sometimes fe on pro age shi ije Tigo chipe kemish shibanje fe 1 2 kome ona no me no jino no inye makage ma GM kemish.
Trending matters.
Ojawum Laemi.
Trending matters.
Ojawum Laemi.
Okay, what's your name, please?
Abuaje Elijah.
Okay, Elijah, I would like to discuss something with you. Okay, what network are you using, please?
MTN.
Okay, so with this network, what challenges and difficulties are you facing using this network?
CCN. You are Ska ho den. Unya ska na odi ye bundle and na odi ye credit ya. We yes o download bibi on social media and show people on social media. CCN no matini nyina. Ebu okra wa ye krampo mfanya hwe na o matini nyina. En na ya de e haye. Sese ama sese kra o use MTN kra na yem hyeso. Sese different network na person dey use. Sese o mu boy na sese no credit omu susu entity ye to omu susu entity ba omu susu tete ya ye ni je ho ye be gusu use MTN no ba say de omu smith tete ndie omu hwe no munye ni ye no omu aye ye nso ye mu awo.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to help solve this problem?
Sisi no I can't say sisi no bibia o bibia ye mpanyimfo o man ahanti ye say mpanyimfo ne tenase mo tenase na mo hwe de mo ya mo amutumu se adewe ha o man no adewe ha o man ti ye nso ye de ye be ye ni ya e be bo o man ni nyina sisi ndi e misremo mpanyimfo en to mpanyimfo na enim na sisi o momwae na sisi no network no ye ni ji network no MTN network be ye kama pa and them kasa nya kama number e kama buy
omunhwe no mum wae kwan paso na nya kwan bone so.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Okay, what's your name, please?
My name is William Niclotte.
Okay, William, so I'd like to discuss something with you. So which network do you use, please?
I'm using Tigo.
Okay, so what difficulties do you face using these networks during calls and browsing?
Right now, I don't have any difficulty about doing call, but I have problem about my hospital support. Because since the time I've been using it, like 4 or 5 years, they have been reducing my credit, but I'm not seeing anything. They say, else I'm sick or my son. Meanwhile, my son also has not been sick. And I've been asking them, calling the office, asking them, how am I going to do? So that me too, I'll get benefits for what I'm doing. But if I call them to, I'm not hearing the correct reply. So that is my own problem that I'm facing about Tigo.
So what do you think they can do to improve and help solve this problem for you?
That one I don't know, or else maybe them themselves, because we have been facing many difficulties on the network, especially the one I'm telling you. Because always when I buy the credit, they took their own out of it. But since 4 years to 5 years, and I'm not seeing any benefit of it, and I don't know how I'm going to solve with them. Me by myself, I don't know actually, or else maybe they will do something about it. That's what you have been asking me, so because we have been facing many difficulties.
Can you say something a little about it, like something that will reach out to them, that they can help you? Say something that will reach out to them.
Right now, I wanted them to, well, if I call the office, I wanted them to tell me something proper, which means I will be getting benefit from my credit that they have been taking. But as I'm not getting anything, I'm not seeing anything. That is my own problem. So they will try to do something about our insurance, that maybe we can use some card to come and take our money, or to use something to go and get your own benefit out of it. That is it.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Please, what's your name?
I'm Grace.
Okay, Sister Grace, I'd like to discuss something with you. So what network are you using, please?
I use MTN and Tigo.
Okay, so what difficulties and challenges are you facing using this network?
Okay, for the MTN, sometimes when you buy data, it runs faster. But with the Tigo, sometimes for a week, you try to download something and then it will be running slow. So sometimes when you have to send something, you have to delay. Yeah, it delays our time a lot.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to improve and help solve this problem? Can you say a message out to these people?
Okay, what I would say is that the CEOs of those companies should check and then fix the network for us. Even with the airtime, they can do something to minimize the price, yeah, or to even keep it for a long period of time for us, yeah.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Please, what's your name?
I'm Isaac.
Okay, Brother Isaac, I would like to discuss something with you. Okay, what network are you using, please?
I'm using MTN and Tigo.
Okay, so what challenges and difficulties are you facing using these networks?
To me, the MTN, the way they have been deducting the things is too much. The credit is too much, so if they can do something about it, to be okay. But the Tigo, it's okay because the network is very fast. About the Tigo. But the MTN, the way the network is there, when you are calling somebody, after calling the person, or the next action that will tell you that the thing is not going again.
So with the MTN, what do you think they can do and improve and help solve this problem?
Oh, if they can let the network be from all day, from maybe from morning to the next day, it will be okay. It will be okay. But the Tigo, I don't have problem with that. No problem with that.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Trending matters.
Liam.
Please, what's your name?
Eddie Evans.
Okay, Brother Evans, I'd like to discuss something with you. What network are you using, please?
Vodafone.
Okay, so what challenges and difficulties are you facing using this network?
Oh, sometimes our networks is slow. Our browser or not or sometimes not about. Like a tickle, sometimes a quiet
Okay, like what do you think they can do help solve this problem for you?
Oh, That one there also mo here no munye bibi fa network no cause Vodafone you good na network no nya so dey be ma marketing akofo nti mo here bi no munye fa network no.
Trending matters.
Ojaom.
Trending matters.
Ojaom.
Okay, so what's your name, please?
Oh, I'm Jefta.
Okay, Jeff, so I would like to discuss something with you. What network are you using, please?
Oh, MTN.
Okay, so with this network, what challenges and difficulties are you facing using this network?
Oh, actually, me use MTN, but all the sometimes extra credit na. All the financial, but one what? Who credit no? Na say at times aye data, aye bundle, na I do online. Within 30 minutes or something, I do video on Facebook and Instagram and other WhatsApp status na don't know. On Chebia na what to bundle no ya. Anti ma problem I'm facing na MTN for when they more. Why? Because the last time they me from one office, na me catch one there. They them problem in me face, but what catch am I there? My subscribe some Reeby, but most of my subscribe bibia ocha there. Other what so my bundle na me credit. Some am more credit on my phone, but madam also no na what. But I don't know the reason why what's going on bundle what.
Okay, so what do you think they can do to help solve this problem for you?
Oh, man, much more can you there? So now what you know? Now on there. What the messages? Now they what the better subscribe. Damadi subscribe. Damadi. So now obo an onyo bia no to me read. No right. Atasa onyo bia no to me read. Nti obo an onima no so botum. One no bobo ahead now I subscribe. Now what to wanna credit? Nti am so in there. On there what the messages na no. What the boss no. What send me the ma. Or not, or may say it's too much.
Trending matters.
Liami.
Trending matters.
Liami.
Please, what's your name?
I'm Jennifer Fiagudo.
Okay, Star Jennifer, I would like to discuss something with you. What network are you using, please?
I'm using Tigo and Vodafone.
Okay, so what challenges and difficulties are you facing using this network?
Oh, actually, for Tigo, their network is somehow slow, but for Vodafone, by then, I was facing challenges, but now, I think with their special offer and certain things I'm using, it's okay.
Okay, so with the Tigo, you said you are facing the problem with it.
I'm facing is it internet problems here? Sometimes.
Okay, so what do you think the Tigo network can do like that? What do you think they can do to solve this problem for you?
I think they have to check their network access points. As in, for me, when I go to Sotom, sometimes the network changes. So they should check their access points and then I think that will be okay.
And this is where we draw our curtains on today's edition on Public Opinion on Trending Matters. I am your host, Sandy. Now, so share me welcome now see Trending Matters. Major will say lie me. See you same time next week. It's a wrap.